In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. If your timelines shift or your team changes, keeping task dates aligned can save a lot of cleanup later. I'll show you how to enable a setting that automatically shifts subtask dates when a parent task moves, and then how to adjust start and due dates directly on a task so your schedule stays consistent. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the overview area for your team space or workspace. From there, click into your workspace to access its controls. Once you're in, look for the settings option. This is where you'll find all the workspace level configuration that affects how tasks behave across your projects. Inside settings, open the App Center. This is where ClickUp's Click Apps live, which are features you can toggle on and off to extend functionality. Choose All Click Apps to see the full list. In the search or list, locate the option called Remap Subtask Due Dates. Toggle this on. When prompted, click Confirm to apply the change. With this enabled, if you shift a task's dates, say pushing a due date out a week, its subtasks can move with it, maintaining the same relative spacing. This is especially helpful when you're reassigning work or reshuffling a sprint and want dependent items to stay aligned without manual edits. There's also a quick way to adjust dates from within a project. Navigate to your project where the work lives. Open the task whose schedule you need to change and click the due date to bring up the date picker. In that calendar window, first set a start date so the task has a clearly defined timeline, then set the due date to when the work should be completed. This 2-point range keeps durations intact and, with the remap feature enabled, ensures subtasks follow along proportionally. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you have permission to modify workspace settings before trying to enable the Click app, and confirm you're editing the correct workspace if you have more than one. If you're reassigning a task to a new owner, these date settings help maintain realistic timelines for that person and their dependent work. And if you move something by mistake, you can use the task's activity or history to review recent changes and revert if needed. That's it. Enable remap subtask due dates in the App Center, then adjust start and due dates on your tasks as needed. Your schedules and your team will thank you.